my god. So guys, ELMERS has this new like magical liquid. It's basically like Activator for slime, but you can only get it in the slime kits. But I was on Amazon and I saw you could get some magical liquid from Amazon. So I just really wanted to try this. I like activators that aren't borax or like liquid starch. It's just something that I haven't done. Like for some reason, whenever I make slime with detergent, it just like, it fascinates me. I don't know why, but I like doing it. So I got a bunch of magical liquid and I'm basically gonna try it out. I'm gonna test it out with this bottle and then I'm gonna attempt to make a big gallon of ELMERS clear glue. So I wanna see how it goes and just basically everything about it, and yeah. And today's like button challenge is gonna be try to press the like button with your nose. I know we've done this already, but if you have done it like 5 times, comment down below. I did it 5 times. And if you already know here, we do a like button challenge where we basically try and press the like button with like something weird. And yeah, well, hello there. So just go like that. If you guys are able to do it, make sure you comment down below, hashtag I did it, and let's just get straight on into the video. Yo. Okay guys, so the first one I'm gonna try out is white school glue. So I'm just using the small bottle. So on each of these like magical liquid bottles, not boxes. So basically they just have all the bottles and the recipes and how much you need of this magical liquid for a bottle of each of these glues. So I'm just gonna basically test these out real quick and see how accurate these recipes are. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so first I got this bottle of school glue, 4-ounce bottle. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and get the magical liquid. I wonder if it smells like anything. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything. I'm really wondering what the heck this is because it has a thick consistency, kind of like bubbles, you know, where like it's thick and slimy. I don't know how to explain it. Anyway, so I'm gonna put some green food coloring before because I forgot about that. And now it is time for the magic, guys. Okay, that seems like a 4th cup. Okay. All right. Do you guys see it? It's like really thick. I don't know why, but it is. It's weird. It's activating, guys. I mean, why wouldn't it? But like, it's still cool. Okay, it seems like it's a little hard at the moment. Maybe I just have to like, you know, knead it in. Okay, it's kind of jiggly. It's really slimy too. It feels weird. By the way, guys, I haven't made any white slime with the magical liquid, so this is my first time doing this one. Oh, this is interesting. What is going on here? Whoa. It made it so like jiggly and thin. Guys, this is so weird. I feel like you don't have to put this much magical liquid into the slime. It seems like it's a little overactivated just to be safe so that the slime isn't sticky to anybody. Guys, I think if you have this magical liquid, you should probably just add it little by little. Okay guys, here it is. It kind of turned jiggly. It's like the weirdest thing ever. I'm so confused. Guys, this is just like the weirdest thing ever. So I feel like this is too much activator, but at the same time, like not enough. I'm confused, literally. I'm so confused. Okay guys, this is the weirdest thing ever, but I really like the texture. Like it feels cool, but like it's just so weird. I don't understand, but I don't know. I think it's pretty cool. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. What do you guys think? Comment down below and let's get on to the next glue. Okay guys, the next one I'm gonna try out is a bottle of clear glue. ELMERS clear glue. Why do they have 4 ounces of white glue and then they have 5 ounces of clear glue? It's weird. Okay, then I'm gonna put some blue food coloring. All right guys, let's go ahead and activate it. Okay, so put a 1/4 cup of activator. That seems like so much, guys, but it all soaks in. It's like the weirdest thing ever. It's just so weird. It's got such a thick, slimy texture. I really cannot explain it. It's so weird. I'm very shook with it right now, guys. Like it gives it a really gel texture, like a really jello-y texture, I guess, jelly. It's almost like it's just like a diluted borax, watered down borax. Guys, this is just such a weird activator. It's crazy. It's like so slimy. Guys, this is such a weird activator. I'm just so confused because like it feels like if they added hair gel into it because it's like kind of slimy, and then it seems like they put watered down borax, and I am just so confused with this, guys. Okay, so here is the slime. As you can tell, it's really jiggly. I have no idea why, but it is, and I'm just gonna have to live with that. I'm just kidding, but I don't know. It gives it a pretty cool texture, but I mean, it doesn't really give it that, you know, slime texture, that actual slime texture, but I like it. It's different. It's different. Okay guys, enough with this one. This one is, it's just so weird, guys. It makes like this really thick jiggly slime. Almost if like I basically got, it's like if I got glue, I put some water in it and then I used detergent as activator. It has this really thick jiggly feeling and it's just so weird to me. I cannot figure it out. It is just, it is crazy. Anyways, so let's get on to the last glue. So last glue, guys, is the glitter glue, and for some reason you can use more glitter glue than the white glue. Like the white glue, you have to have 4 ounces with a 1/4 cup of magical liquid, and then for the glitter glue, you can put 6 ounces with a 1/4 cup. And I'm just so confused on that, but whatever. Look at how thick glitter glue, guys, is. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and activate it. Okay. Guys, every time I pour it in, it's like so much. It's so weird to put it in there. Guys, this is just chunking up. It's not mixing. Okay, so this one seems like I added too much activator, but I feel like maybe I just have to knead it, but it's very weird. I'm very confused on this, guys. Guys, it is so slimy. Look at this. Like, what the heck? Okay, guys, this one is not going... right? This one is not going as well, and I just realized that I have like this much more glitter glue in the bottle, so I'm gonna try and get that out, but like it comes out so slowly because of how thick it is. So yeah. Just gonna have to wait for it, I guess.
Day 2.
Okay guys, I am all done with it, and this one seems like, I don't know, I don't think I put too much activator. I feel like I put the right amount, but maybe I did. But there's like literally still activator inside the cup. Look, there's like a teaspoon left, and I don't know, this is not looking right. Like, look at how, like, what is going on? It's so activated. I'm gonna have to give it a 5 out of 10 because I activated it and it's like, it's not really that bad. It's just like not really stretchy or pokolo-y, but fine. But if you guys ever get this magical liquid and you have some glitter glue, be careful, guys, because you don't want this to happen. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and make the giant clear glue slime. So let's get started because I'm really excited. I want to see how this is gonna turn out, so let's do this. So I don't know if I have enough activator for the whole gallon of ELMERS glue, so I'm just gonna use half, and we're gonna see from there if I can add the rest. So let's do this. So we're gonna pour that in there. Yes. Oh my god, I love ELMERS glitter glue, guys. Like, it is my favorite. Okay, and I think I'm gonna make it a like blue glittery slime. So let's put some blue food coloring. Okay, and I'm gonna put some white glitter. All right, and I'm gonna put some silver glitter. This like, it's like a bigger version. All right, and then I'm gonna put some holographic because I love holographic. This is a tinsel glitter, and it looks so pretty. It's from Walmart, and I like literally get all of them always. Okay, guys, and that is it. Let's just go ahead and mix it now. I am so excited, guys. Oh my god, it looks like a magical sea. Guys, this is, it just amazes me how thick ELMERS glue is, guys. Mixed in, I'm gonna go ahead and put the activator. So yeah, I am so excited for this, guys. So let's do this. Okay, so I'm not gonna measure it this time. I'm just gonna put it in there because this is like a 1/4. This is a 1/4 right here. All right, let's start mixing. It's activating, guys. It's activating. Yes, yes, guys, it's activating. Look at that. It seems like it's actually easier to activate. We're gonna go ahead and get another bottle. This seems like, oh no, just one more bottle will be enough, but I don't think, I'm just gonna put the whole bottle. Okay guys, so I just put a cup of this because the whole bottle is a cup, so let's see if that's enough. It's going good so far. Guys, look at this. It's so cool. It's like legit goo. We're gonna put another cup of this magical liquid, just basically the whole bottle. Okay, so I'm gonna put another bottle of this because it seems like it's gonna need that, and I feel like this is the last bottle. So let's just do this, I guess. I think this is the last bottle. I hope to. Okay guys, so here is my slime. It's still kind of sticky, but like it's not sticky at the same time. I'm kind of confused on it, but whatever. Okay, so as you can tell, it's like a jiggly thick slime. It's so weird. It's like jello. Hello. I don't understand. I just added more activator. It's like it never. I'm done with this. It gives it a cool texture, but like it's so weird to handle. Okay, I'm adding another 1/4 cup of activator to this, guys, because it's still like sticky, and I want to see if it can get to the point where it's not sticky, where it's fully activated, but I don't know if it's going to make it like really rippy or something, so we'll just see if I just ruin my whole batch of ELMERS clear slime. Okay guys, so this is like really jiggly. It's very weird. I'm liking it though, but like at the same time I don't like it because you have to have a lot of it, first of all, and second of all, it's still kind of sticky and it's like stretchy, but like not stretchy at the same time. I don't even know how to explain it, but who knows? It does give it a pretty cool texture though. Liquid a 5 out of 10 because I don't know, it's not that good. I'd rather just buy, you know, liquid starch or borax. So yeah. And don't forget to comment down below your guys' video suggestions. They are awesome. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much, and I really hope I see you guys next time. Bye.